Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your employee account with Paycom. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in paycom.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Paycom website. In order to log into your employee account, simply hover over to the login button at the top section and then from the drop-down menu just click on employee. This will then take you into the employee login portal. Now once you're in the login portal, just type in your username followed by your password. Then enter the last 4 digits of your social security number or your PIN and then click on the login button. And now you will be logged into your employee account with Paycom. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Paycom employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel as well if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.